Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorial. In today's video, let's talk about how to use Rednote app for beginners. So using Rednote app is actually very simple. Over here on the top, on the explore area, you will be able to see all kinds of categories available over here on the top. So depending on your interests, you could have a specific videos or set of videos appear. So for example, if you want to watch photography related videos, you could simply select that and you could see everything related to photography. If you want something random, you could do For You page over here and you could see random videos. If you found a video that you want to watch, for example this one, simply select this and you could even leave a like or have comments over here, or as you can see here, you could even click on share and do all of these other options such as dislike, report, save to album, copy link, and so on and so forth. If you want to view people's channel, simply click on their name and you can see all of their posts available over here as you can see. If you like this person, you can simply click on follow and you will then be able to see all of their video under your follow section over here. You can also check out different content creators over here, so you could easily follow them as well. And you could also click on nearby over here, which will show videos of people nearby. If they are from your area, you will be able to see their videos over here. Over here below, we could click on explore. We could also check out different videos over here, similarly with what we seen earlier. If you click on your profile, you could also click on shop over here, which will show you something similar to a TikTok shop. As you can see, you could search a specific product over here in the search bar. You could check out trending products over here, such as this one over here. And if you want to purchase something, you could simply open a product and then simply check it out over here. Now, aside from that, you could also click on the plus button over here at the center, which will allow you to record or upload videos into Rednote. So that's basically the basics of Rednote and how to use it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.